In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable your Binance account using your phone and what you need to know to do it effectively. If you're considering disabling your account temporarily, perhaps due to concerns about security or potential hacking, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. Start by opening the Binance mobile app on your phone. Once the app is launched, log in using your account credentials as you normally would. For those of you who are already in the app, you might want to double-check you're logged into the right account to avoid any unintentional changes. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of your screen for the profile or avatar icon. Depending on your version of the app, this could be located in the top left or top right corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will lead you to your account settings menu, where you'll find various options related to your profile and security settings. Next, navigate to the security section of your account settings. This area is crucial, as it contains the settings that help you manage the security and integrity of your account. In this section, depending on your app version, you may see different subsections, but what you want to do here is scroll through until you find an option labeled Manage Account or Account Activity. As you tap into this section, you should see an option called Disable Account. This is the feature we were aiming to find. Tap on Disable Account to proceed with the process. Before you jump ahead, a word of caution. Take a moment to read through any warnings or guidelines presented on the screen. These are important because they inform you about what happens when you disable your account and how it affects your access to Binance services. If you've read the warnings and are ready to move forward, confirm your decision to disable your account. At this stage, you may be required to complete some security verification steps. These could range from two-factor authentication to verifying through your registered email address. Whatever measures are asked of you, they are vital steps to ensure that the action being performed is authorized by you. Once you've successfully completed all the required security verifications, your account will be officially disabled. This means your access is temporarily halted until you choose to reactivate it. To regain access in the future, you'll typically need to contact Binance support or follow their reactivation instructions. Keep this in mind if you need to regain access quickly, as the reactivation process can take some time. This completes the process of disabling your Binance account via a mobile device. Remember, this is a precautionary step and not to be mistaken for permanently deleting your account. It's there to give you peace of mind, knowing you have control over your account's security. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.